Okay, let me give you guys some practice. So in some of the early videos, I would give you a decimal of an hour, and then ask you to convert it into the number of hours, minutes, and seconds. You see, by looking at this decimal here, you can see it's going to be 7 hours. 7 hours here, but then you've got a bit of an hour, a fraction of an hour here, a small portion of an hour. So somehow you have to convert this small portion of 1 hour into minutes and seconds. And the way we did that was to visualize our scale here. Well, if you don't understand this bit, you have to watch some of the early videos. So this here is our decimal representation of the hour, and then so 0 hour, 1 hour here would equate to 60 minutes. So so this column here is our decimal representation of hour. This here is our representation of minutes. So 30 minutes would represent half of an hour. 30 over 60 is half an hour. Well, 0.42 here. Well, we want to somehow express this as something over 60. Okay, we want to So here, to express this as something over 60, turn it into a fraction like this, and then times top and bottom by 60, and then you would get this. Now this 0.43 can be represented as 25.2 over 60. Now the 25 here at this level here corresponds to the 25 minutes over here. Okay, but then so this 25 here corresponds to 25 minutes. So this here is where you get the 25 minutes. But then you still got the 0.2 here. You still got the 0.2 of a minute. Now then you would jump to your minute scale here. So this is our decimal representation of the minute. Now half a minute here would represent 30 seconds here. Don't forget, this is our representation of seconds. So 0.2 is probably somewhere on this scale here. So we want to express this 0.2 as something over 60. And the way we do that is to first turn the 0.2 into a fraction, times top and bottom here by 60, and then we would, well, this point here can be represented as 12 over 60. And this 12 here corresponds to the 12 in terms of seconds over here. So this is where we got the seconds from. Okay. Now, if you don't understand this, then you got to watch some of the earlier videos. So now we are going the other way. Now, I'm going to give you a real time, 3 hours, 54 minutes, and 17 seconds. Express this as as something hours. So it's going to be 3 point something, because this bit here is less than an hour. It's a small portion of the hour. It's a fraction of an hour. It's something slightly less than an hour. Okay. So well, anyway, I showed you how to do this in the earlier videos. So now it's your turn. Press pause and have a go. So here you know it's going to be 3 point something of an hour. So first visualize our scale here. So we are now in hours. Okay, so not hour, 1 hour here. But then here this thing here is less than an hour. It's less than an hour, so it's probably somewhere in here. Okay, but let's express 1 hour as in seconds. Let's work in terms of seconds. This is just a trick, just for the time being. Just learn to express this whole thing as in terms of seconds. So now on the left hand side, this is our representation of 1 whole hour. So 0 here. Now 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, and then each minute is 60 seconds. So 1 hour would be 60 times 60, because in 1 hour you've got 60 minutes, and then within each minute you've got 60 seconds. So the number of seconds in 1 hour is 60 times 60. So that would be 36 with 2 zeros. Okay, and then on this side here, express this thing here in terms of in terms of seconds. Just work everything in seconds. So now 54 minutes, and there are if there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, then get this times 60. Okay, so hang on, oops, 54 times 60 equals this. 3 hang on, equals 3240. So now this 54 minutes is 3,240 seconds. Don't forget we still got the extra 17 seconds here. So let's add 17 to this. So this will be this. Okay, so now you notice that in 1 whole hour you've got this this many seconds. Now you've got 3, 2, 5, 7. You see this 54. Don't forget this 54 minutes and 17 seconds is less than 1 hour. It's a small portion of the hour. So now the whole hour is from here to here, and this bit here, this portion here, is from here to here. So if you want to know if you want to express this leftover bit as an hour, then you would get the part, okay, divided by the whole. Okay, then that will give you the decimal representation. So it will be this: 3257 over 3600. So it's just this part here divided by the whole part here. That will give you the decimal representation. So here it would be that number divided by 3600 equals this 0.9. So this bit here is actually 0.9. So this bit here is 0.9. So 3 hours, 54 minutes and 17 seconds. Well, that would be 3 point, what was it? Hang on. Well, 3 point, hang on. Yeah, sorry, 3.9. Sorry, 3.9. Sorry, hang on. It would be 3 point. Remember this. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This bit here is equals 0.9. Okay, so now you've got to get this and add the 3. But basically we had 3 hours earlier, so you can think of 3 hours as this. You can think of it as like that. No. Well, we've got to add 0.9 in there. So this bit here would be 3.9. But basically the answer would be 3.9. Yeah, I confused you a bit. Yeah. So the answer should be 3.9 hours. Okay.